All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So hang on, to wait, 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 or to save something for later. Yeah, he is busy. Can you hang on? Can you hang on? He's busy, just wait. Yeah, I am in the middle of something. Hang on. Wait a moment. I'm just doing something. Hang on. Just wait. Yeah. Or to save something. He wants you to hang on to it. He wants you to hang on to it. I'm going to hang on to it for a long time. I'm willing to wait. I'm going to hang on to it for a long time. I'm willing to wait. How cool is that? I have been hanging on to it for years. It is soon time to sell. Yeah. How cool is that? She will hang on a little longer. She will hang on a little longer. Yeah. I will hang on another 5 minutes. And then I need to go. I'll hang on another 5 minutes. Then I need to go. Yeah. He hanged on the news all night. He waited for the news all night. He waited. Just listened. Waited. I hanged on to every word. I listened and waited. Every single word. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Aha, okay. Right, okay. Every single word I listened and paid attention. And I waited for something. She will hang on for me in the office. She will wait for me in the office. She's hanging on for me. She's waiting for me. How cool is that? I'm hanging on for as long as possible. I can wait for as long as possible. For as long as possible. Yeah. He can't hang on as long as me, though. He can't wait for as long as me. He has to go soon. Yeah. How cool is that? She will hang on a little while longer. I have told her to hang on a little while more because I've soon finished. Yeah, they need to hang on. Yeah, I could be a while. Yeah, they need to hang on. I could be a while. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So to hang on, to wait, or save something. So I have some old things that I've been hanging on to for years. Hanging on to for years. Yeah. I might sell them soon. Yeah. Might as well. How cool is that? They have been hanging on to that thing, that book for years. Yeah. I have been hanging on to this book 5 years? 5 years? I guess. 6 years? 5, 6 years? Yeah. I've been saving it for 5 years. I have been hanging on to this book for around 5 years. Around 5 years. Around 5 years. Wow. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use hang on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.